Creatives, so for this week's video I'm going to teach you how to make a fat quarter notebook cover with a no-sew method. So welcome to 5-Minute Fat Quarters. This is the series where I teach you some fun and fabulous fat quarter makes in 5 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get on with this week's fat quarter make. So in order to make this notebook cover, you will need one fat quarter, a notebook. So I'm upcycling a notebook here, which I spilt stuff on the cover, so I just replaced the cover with some cardboard, but any notebook will do. Some fabric glue. Those of you in the UK, I got this from the range and it was about £1.99. A ruler, some scissors, chalk or something to mark with. And these clips are perfect for holding it together while the glue is drying. So the first thing that you need to do is just trim down the fat quarter. So just lay the book onto the fat quarter with a little bit of a gap above and below, about 1.5 to 2 inches, just to make sure we've got enough room for a hem and for the book to get into the cover. So now what we're simply going to do is fold about a 1/2 inch hem down on each side of the material and just glue it into place so that it's nice and secure. If you're sewing, just sew down this line. It's really easy to do this all the way around, and put a clip on or put clips along it as you go, just to keep it all in place while the glue dries. So every now and then just bring your notebook back to make sure that we are along the right sort of size. If at any point you feel like your material is still going to be too big, just do a rolled hem. So roll it down again and just glue it into place if you need to make your material a little bit smaller. So next, just measure and find the middle of your material and drop down either the front or the back cover. What we're going to do next is we're going to fold either side of the material so that it forms like a pocket for the front and the back to slide into. So we'll be folding these over about 1/4 of the way and just sealing them across the top. But I'm just measuring here that everything's going to be all right and it's all going to fit. So I just used one of the clips to mark where my fold was going to come into, and I just popped lines of glue across the top and the bottom as close to the edge as possible, just so you've got enough room to make sure your front cover and your back cover definitely fits in the pocket. And yeah, just stick them down and pop your clips back on just to secure them while they dry. So I did this on both sides. Again, if you're sewing, just sew along exactly the same line that we're popping the glue on, and basically this is the same rule for the whole thing. So wherever you are seeing us put the glue, just sew instead. So I just left this out in the sun to dry while it was nice and baking hot. So yeah, just leave it a good amount of time so it's all fully dry and it's still not sticky. Unclip it, and it's just a case of popping your front cover and your back cover into each side of the pockets, and that's it. That really is it. That's just how simple and easy this fat quarter make is. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment down below if you tried this or any of my other fat quarter makes. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe for more DIY fun and creative crafty content, and hit that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a video. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creative. Bye.